Hey you guys, it's your girl Lisa Marie, back at you with another video. Okay, so today, me and my niece Jasmine, we're gonna be making some spaghetti for you guys. Yeah, we're just gonna give you our own little touch on how we make our spaghetti. Everybody do shit different, so our style might not be your style, and that's totally fine. If you like the recipe, do it. If you don't, the door.
It's there.
It's there.
Bye.
Goodbye. All right, so let's get cracking.
Started.
Okay, so what you're gonna need is
A pot for the ground beef. And we making cornbread muffins.
Yes.
Yes, we love cornbread.
Okay, you guys, so the ingredients that we're gonna use for the spaghetti is you're gonna need some onion powder, basil leaves, some Goya. I'll show them this. This is some really good stuff, you guys. It has if you don't have onion powder, garlic powder, this has everything in it.
Some slap your mama.
Some slap your mama seasoning. It's kind of like a Cajun seasoning, which is really, really good. You're gonna use your Hunt's garlic and herb. That's what we like to use.
And then ragu.
The ragu.
Sauteed onion. And
Did we get those stewed tomatoes?
Yes, it's somewhere in the
Okay, and you're gonna use a can of stewed tomatoes. If you don't like chunky tomatoes, that's optional. You don't have to add that in there. Okay. And next, you're gonna get your onions. I have my onions chopped up here. You're gonna have your bell peppers chopped up. And me, I like to put Eckrich sausage in my spaghetti. So you're gonna have your Eckrich sausage. And so, of course, you're gonna have your ground meat. And that's the stewed tomatoes I was talking about. 1 can of those. And we're gonna do Jiffy cornbread muffins. So yeah, so we're gonna get started. And I'm gonna put this camera down so you guys can see. Okay, first what you're gonna do is warm your stove up. Get your pot or your skillet, whatever you're gonna fry your meat in. Add a little bit of oil in your skillet. It's just a little vegetable oil. Little vegetable oil. And we're gonna move it around. Get the bottom coated really, really good. Really, really good like that. Okay, let that get heated. And then we're going to throw our onions in here. We're gonna throw our bell peppers in here together. We're gonna let those soften up a little bit. Got a big one in there. Let them soften up a little bit. Okay, you guys, so I got my onions and bell peppers cooking. I wanted them to get just a little soft. Now I'm going to throw my Eckrich sausage in here. I like to fry those with my onions and bell peppers. We're going to fry our sausage. Let me do this and I'll mix it out together. Take the top off it. Take the black thing out. I'm going to put this in there when it's done. So yeah guys, you're just going to fry your bell peppers and your Eckrich sausage or whatever sausage that you prefer to have. Fry them together. This is my favorite pot, you guys, my Dutch pot. It gets the job done. You're just gonna fry your sausage with your bell peppers and your onions, and then just let it go. I like my bell peppers and onion to be a little soft, and I like my extra sausage to cook, but not too much because it still has to cook once I add everything together. And yeah, we're gonna let that go for a little while, and we're gonna come back and check it in a few. Okay, you guys, come back, and I'm just tossing, stirring it. Okay, and while this is going, I have my water going for my noodles. Go ahead and get your pot, fill it up with water, get it boiling so you get your noodles going. And that's what I have going on the other side. Oh, this is cooking. I love the way this fish now together. Smells so good. Okay, you guys. So at this point, my sausages and my bell peppers and onions, they're ready to come off the stove. You don't want to cook them hard. You just want it to have just enough brown for it to be done, because it has to finish cooking, but the spaghetti is done. So I'm going to remove this from the stove, and then we're going to start the ground beef. Okay, you guys, I removed my sausage. I'm going to use the same Dutch that I fried my sausage in for my ground beef. I left a little onions in there for the ground beef. And yeah, we're going to fry ground beef. Ground beef in there like so. Mine is still a little frozen, but it will all come together to cook with time. And me, I season my ground beef while it's frying, and after I drain it, I season it again after I drain the fat off. But I'm going in with my onion powder first. Then I'm going to go in with my garlic powder. Then I'm going to go in with my Slap Your Mama. Which I love. Then I'm going to go in with my Goya seasoning. This is some good stuff, you guys. Good stuff here, you guys. Go in there with my Goya. Alright. And I'm going to go in with my basil. I love basil and oregano. I'm out of oregano, but I'm going to use this basil. It's going to give us the same effect. Alright. So I'm going to move that around. Let that meat fry. It's a little froze, so I'm going to let that cook and come together. Like so. Put the onions in there. And while this is frying, I'm going to get my niece to go ahead and add the noodles to our water. Add the noodles to our water. If you come over here, I got my water.
I'm having technical difficulties.
I got my water boiling right here. She's going to go ahead and add those noodles. Show them the kind of noodles we got.
Oh.
We just got some regular linguine noodles. We're going to add it to the water. It's boiling, and break them in half. And yeah, we're going to let that do what it do.
I'm not like that. I'm getting a little calm.
Okay, you guys, so now our meat is brown. When you're done, your meat should be brown just like that. Not burnt, but a nice brown. Just like so. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to drain our meat, and then we're going to check our noodles, and we're going to put everything together. Okay, you guys, now that we have our meat drained, we're going to turn the fire down to low. Have it drained now. We're going to turn the fire down to low, like so. And now, I'm going to go back in with a little bit more seasoning, mainly with my Goya. Once you drain all the fat, sometimes you lose a little bit of your seasoning, so you have to go back and reflavor it. And I'm going in right now with my garlic powder, my onion powder. And I try not to do too much salt. Everything else is just really powders and herbs. This is the only thing that has salt, and it's Slap Your Mama. And I mainly like it because it has a little spice. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit of that, not too much. I'm going to mix it together. Mix it together. Let me get my pot. Oh, that's it. These Dutch pots are hot. They are hot, sister, hot. Look at that. That looks so good. It even smells even better, you guys. So now, I'm going to taste it. I'm going to give your meat a taste. Great. It tastes delicious. Delish. Okay. We're waiting on the noodles still. So now we're going to take our sausage, our bell peppers, our onions, dump them right back in the pot. Get all your onions out. Get all your onions out. Mix that right on in. Right on in. Right on in, you guys. Like so. Mix that right on in like so. Delicious. Okay, you guys. So now that we have our meat done, like so, we have our sausage and everything blended in together. We're going to add the noodles. Noodles are done. Drained them. We're going to add our noodles into the pot. I'm going to mix them in together like so. Mix them in really good. I'm gonna mix really good. Mix them in really good. I love spaghetti. It's one of my favorite dishes that I love to eat, that I really enjoy eating. Okay, so now that we have that mixed together like that, we're going to go in. I'm going to add my roasted garlic sauce. I'm going to add that. We're going to add sauteed onion and garlic. I love a lot of sauce, you guys. A lot of sauce. Add my stewed tomatoes. My stewed tomatoes. Like that. I'm going to turn my fire on medium, because you don't want it to cook too fast, but you want to get your sauce going. So we're going to mix everything up, you guys. Everything up very good. Okay, you guys, I have all my sauces mixed up in here. Now, what I'm going to do is, I like to put a little ketchup in my spaghetti. So, I'm going to put a little ketchup, because I like sweet spaghetti. I don't know how many people do this. Some people may think it's strange, but I like spaghetti. I mean, I like ketchup in my spaghetti. And I also add just a little sugar. Just a little. Just a little. That's all you need. Get the chop done. Now we're going to mix it like so. It's a lot of spaghetti, y'all. Feeding a lot of folk. All right. So we're just going to mix that together really good. Got that fire on medium. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Simple, easy, quick meal. Not hard at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let my spaghetti come to like a slight boil, not a hard boil, but let it simmer and come to like a little slight boil. Then I'm going to stir it up some more, come back and check it, and it should be done. Okay, you guys, so I'm stirring the spaghetti. It has came to a slight boil. And it is hot. And it looks delicious, you guys. Looks delicious. So now, I'm going to try some. Okay, you guys, so now our spaghetti is all done and ready to go. And I'm going to taste some for you guys. A fork and a spoon. So yeah, I have a mess back there. Don't pay no attention to that. So I'm gonna taste a little for you guys. Let's see how this tastes. Look at that, delicious. It's hot. Let's see. Let's get a sausage. This a little tasty taste here. Look at that, you guys. Delicious. Delicious, you guys. So yeah, you guys, that's all for today. My take on spaghetti, a little quick, easy, 20-minute meal. Let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know some of you guys' recipes on how you make spaghetti. And just let me know if you enjoyed this video and enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching. God bless.